So to start, I'm actually going to be putting on a BB cream. So I'm going to be putting on the Misha Perfect Cover BB cream in the shade number 27. And this has SPF 42 as well, which is great. As I do my makeup, I tend to remove any makeup that I have on my fingers on a cotton round that has some micellar water on it. So I'm just going to be doing that now. My makeup brushes. I'm going to be using a mini medium sculpting brush, and this is from Real Techniques. Actually, I'm going to need a mirror, so I'm just going to grab that out of my makeup bag. This is my everyday makeup bag. This is from the Daily Edited. This is in the small size with the large print, and I'm pretty sure this is the shade Burgundy as well. I love anything from the Daily Edited, so I'm just going to open this now to grab a mirror. As you can see, it's pretty full, so I'm just grabbing this Stila Cream blush, which I'm going to be using as like a mirror for the rest of this video. I have no idea if the microphone is going to be able to pick up on any of this audio. I love this BB cream because it gives like a nice light to medium coverage, and it has like a really dewy finish as well, which is nice. And even though I wear SPF in my skincare anyway, it's kind of nice to know that it comes in your makeup as well. I'm now going to be moving on to concealer. So the concealer I'm going to be using is from Glossier, and it is their stretch concealer in the shade G7. I don't know if you can see it, but it's pretty dewy. I tend to tap in my concealer with my fingers because I find that the warmth of my fingers help to blend the product a little bit better. And of course, always use your ring finger because it has the gentlest pressure of all your fingers. I'm actually going to put a little bit on my eyelids as well because I kind of want to wear eyeshadow today, but I'm too lazy to put on eyeshadow primer. Okay, that's my concealer done. Cool. Gonna be removing the makeup off my fingers again. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing eyeshadow next, and when I'm super lazy, like today, I'm just gonna be doing a one and done eyeshadow type of look. So I'm gonna be using the Charlotte Tilbury Eyes to Mesmerize in the shade Amber Gold. And this is a really nice sort of dewy gold eyeshadow, I would say. Sort of like a bronzy gold, I'd say. So I'm just gonna be using my fingers to apply this. And I'm just going to be doing a light wash of this just all over my lid. And I'm going to take it into the crease as well. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. It's just like a nice light wash of color as opposed to like a really bold one, which when you're kind of leaving it a little bit messy is kind of what you want. So now I'm going to be doing a really soft eyeliner, so I'm going to go in with a brown eyeliner. If I can find it, that would be great. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Whiskey. Oh goodness, I hope it makes a sound. Not bad. Okay, those are my eyes done. Now I'm going to be moving on to doing my mascara because I really want to curl my lashes once my mascara dries. I've got the Shu Uemura eyelash curler. Okay. So now I'm going to be going in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mini mascara. Ooh. is from Glossier, and it is their Cloud Paint in the shade Dusk. You know what? I think I'm actually going to tap this in with my fingers, because I can't be bothered using brushes today. Okay, so that's my blush done. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go in with my lipstick, and then I'm going to set my face with powder, and then I'm going to curl my lashes. So for lipstick, I'm going to be using a lip palette that is from the brand Rouge, which is one of my favorite lipstick brands ever. You can see the camera set up in the mirror. I don't know why, but I always find it so funny. So I'm going to be taking this top shade over here. I'm just going to tap it in on my lips and my fingers. Okay, so that's my lipstick done. So the last step is going to be setting my face. So I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way powder in the shade Latte. So I'm just going to remove any excess concealer underneath my eye before I do that. And then I'm going to go in with my brush, tap off the excess. And I'm just going to set my T-zone a little bit. And the final step is just to curl my lashes one more time, just to make sure that the curl actually stays up. And that's my face done. My hair is down and all is right in the world. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope that you enjoyed this ASMR makeup tutorial. This is actually the third time I've tried doing this, so let me know your feedback. If you have any suggestions for any future ASMR videos you'd like for me to do, please comment them down below. As always, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on sustainability and self-development. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next one.